Episode 8, The Creator's Day in the Final Crisis. Revelation's Forgotten Command. In the final book of the Bible, 3 angels shout a message to the whole world. And hidden in the first angel's cry is the commandment almost every church has forgotten. Revelation 14:7 KJV. Fear God and give glory to Him, and worship Him that made heaven and earth and the sea and the fountains of waters. That language isn't random. It's a direct quote from the 4th commandment. The Sabbath, the final call to worship the Creator, is a call to return to the day He created to be worshipped on. 1. The language of the first angel matches the Sabbath commandment word for word. Exodus 20:11 KJV. For in 6 days the Lord made heaven and earth, the sea, and all that in them is. Now compare that to Revelation 14:7. Same structure, same words, same God. This isn't coincidence, it's confirmation. God is calling the world back to Sabbath worship as the last test before judgment. 2. Revelation 14 is the last warning before the mark of the beast. Immediately after the first angel's call to worship the Creator, the next angel warns, Revelation 14:9 KJV. If any man worship the beast and his image, he shall drink of the wine of the wrath of God. The issue is worship. True worship equals Sabbath, the Creator's day. False worship equals Sunday, the counterfeit day. The first angel calls you to worship the Creator. The third angel warns you not to worship the beast. And in between lies the forgotten commandment, the one the world refuses to remember. 3. The Sabbath was the original sign of the Creator. Genesis 2:3 KJV. And God blessed the 7th day and sanctified it. God didn't bless a place. He didn't bless an idol. He blessed a day, the 7th day, as a sign of His creative authority. Ezekiel 20:12 KJV. Moreover also I gave them my Sabbaths, to be a sign between me and them. The Sabbath is the original sign of allegiance to God, which is exactly why Satan hates it, because whoever controls the day of worship controls the worship. 4. Revelation is not about atheism. It's about counterfeit Christianity. In Revelation, the world doesn't stop worshipping. It starts worshipping wrong. Revelation 13:4 KJV. And they worshiped the dragon. Satan doesn't destroy worship, he redirects it. And Sunday is the world's great redirection, a tradition dressed up as truth. But the first angel's message calls you to come out, come back to the Creator's day, come back to the Sabbath. 5. If you ignore this call, you reject the Creator. You can't claim to worship the Creator while rejecting the day He created to be holy. Isaiah 58:13-14 KJV. If thou turn away thy foot from the Sabbath, and call the Sabbath a delight. God never changed the day. Jesus never changed the day. The apostles never changed the day. But Revelation calls us to remember what the church has forgotten. Final warning. Revelation's last warning is not just about a beast. It's about a choice. Worship the Creator on His day, or worship the beast on man's day. Revelation 14:7 KJV. Worship Him that made heaven and earth. If you won't worship the Creator now on the day He made, why would He welcome you into a kingdom where the Sabbath is kept forever? Isaiah 66:23.